the wholly company-owned easy-to-use software 2-in-1 consulting tool. The simplest design makes it easy to learn and use. Patient Tab offers convenience to keep all records in an organized format. Contains patient management system like add, delete, modify and search patient details. Acquisition Tab for acquiring the X-ray images and importing the external images. Viewer Tab contains complete diagnostic tools like brightness and contrast adjustment, sharpening filters, zooming and enhancement of ROI, measurement and implant simulation tool. Easy Navi tool that detects carries automatically make patient consultation more effective. Consult Tab contains almost all treatments animated videos that makes consultation more interactive and increases treatment acceptance ratio. Patient education videos are the animated videos especially designed by Vatech for patients to understand the procedure better and take decisions immediately without delay. Report Tab creates reports for the patients as printouts, PDF or email directly from the software without the help of any third-party application. A unique 3-steps service support mechanism ensures instant support for service-related concerns. The details of 123 is: within day 1, you get online support. If the issue is not resolved online, within day 2, service engineers visit to your clinic, and if still the concern is not resolved, step 3, we will change the unit. To avail this special gesture, register your concern on www.vatecindia.in/Vatech123 and our qualified service team representative will contact you to understand the concern and provide support. At Vatech India, the largest numbers of installations and satisfied customers are proof of the outstanding sales and services that we offer. It's time to go digital with Vatech Easy Sensor Classic Intraoral Sensor. For further details about the product and for free demo, please register online on www.vatecindia.in/free demo. And our authorized representative near you would get in touch with you. Your happiness is our success.